Hi Nine, welcome back to my channel here on HubSpot, and today we are going to discuss or we are going to continue the discussion of last exercise of the chapter polynomials. And the last videos we have discussed about the identities, and we have discussed a plus b all square, a minus b all square, a plus b plus c all square, and a plus b all cube, a minus b all cube. All those identities we have discussed, and we started applying these identities in problems, okay. And we have discussed few problems, and I believe that you all are watching the video properly. I know that still few students are not watching the video. Instead they used to ask notes from other students. I don't care, because I know that few students are there still, they are seriously watching the video. I'm shooting the video for them, okay. So let me continue the discussion of the problems, and as I mentioned, we have discussed up to question number 2, and let me start from question number 3. So let me tell you, I will not solve all the questions. With some question I will leave in between. Those questions you must practice yourself, and please clarify your doubts if you feel any doubt in the problems which I am going to leave. So third question, I'm choosing the question as, I will choose only the difficult question. Factorize 4y square minus 4y plus 1. What do you mean by factorization? Factorization is the way of expressing a term as something into something. For example, if the question is to factorize 12, what is the factorization of 12? You can write it as 6 into 2, you can write it as 4 into 3, you can write it as 12 into 1. Many ways are there. So factorizing a number stands for write the number as the product of some numbers, like this, okay. So I know I need to factorize 4y square minus 4y plus 1. So I have to express this 4y square minus 4y plus 1 in the form of product of some terms, yes. So let me take that term carefully, 4y square minus 4y plus 1. I have to factorize this, or I have to express this expression as some term into some another term, like how I expressed 12 was 6 into 2, or 12 was 4 into 3. In the same way I have to express this as something into something. You may understand, no? Okay. So here we can use splitting the middle term, because it is a quadratic polynomial. Here we can depend upon what? Splitting the middle term. So in order to use splitting the middle term for the factorization, I need two numbers such that their sum is equal to what? Their product is equal to what? Sum should be equal to the coefficient of the middle term, that is minus 4. You know how to factorize a quadratic polynomial by using splitting the middle term. Same method you can use here. So sum is equal to minus 4, and product is equal to last number into coefficient of first number. That means 1 into 4, that is 4. So you have to find out two numbers such that their sum should be minus 4 and product should be 4. Can you tell me two numbers such that their sum should be minus 4 and product should be 4? I think the numbers are minus 2 and minus 2. Why? Because, can you tell me the reason? What is the sum of minus 2 and minus 2? Minus 4. What is the product of minus 2 and minus 2? Minus will be plus. 2 into 2 is 4. We are getting the product as 4, no? So the required numbers are minus 2 and minus 2. So split the middle term by using these numbers. That means 4y square minus 4y plus 1 can be written as 4y square minus 4y. I am going to split by using this number. Minus 2 is the first number, and second number also minus 2. So my first number is minus 2, so it becomes minus 2y, and second number also minus 2, so minus 2y. So we have splitted the minus 4y as minus 2y by using these two numbers, and the last term as it is. You may understood, no? Okay. And from these two terms which you can take outside, here I think 2y can easily take outside. So if you take 2y outside from this term, what will remain? 2y will remain, isn't it? If you have any doubt, I will clear your doubts how this 2y came inside. So leave it. I will clear that doubt later. So what you can do is, from the first term I took 2y outside, then 2y will remain. Then from the second term, then the sign is minus. Then from the second term, if I took 2y outside, what will remain? Nothing will remain. So 1 you are right. So I will clear your doubts how this 2y came inside. See, you just try to open the bracket in mind. What is 2y into 2y? 2 into 2, 4. Y into y square. That means 2y outside എടുക്കുമ്പോൾ ഉള്ളിൽ 2y എഴുതിയെങ്കിൽ മാത്രമേ അവ തമ്മിൽ മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്ത് നമ്മൾ മനസ്സിൽ ചെയ്ത് നോക്കുമ്പോൾ ഇത് കിട്ടുള്ളൂ. ഈ സാധനങ്ങൾ കിട്ടണമല്ലോ, ഇത് ചെയ്ത് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ ഈ സാധനങ്ങൾ കിട്ടണമല്ലോ. കാരണം ഇതിൽ നിന്ന് നമ്മളൊരു സാധനം ഔട്ട്സൈഡ് എടുത്തെന്ന് വിചാരിച്ച് ഇത് ചെയ്ത് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ ഇത് കിട്ടാതിരിക്കരുത്. ഇത് മനസ്സിലൊന്ന് കാൽക്കുലേഷൻ ചെയ്താൽ ഇത് തന്നെ കിട്ടണം. വാട്ട് ഈസ് 2y into 2y? 2 into 2 is 4. Y into y is y square. And what is 2y into minus 1? Minus 2y. We are getting the same thing. So this is the way of writing. You may understood, no? Okay. And free from these two terms, is there any common? No. But you have to take some minus sign outside. You know why I have taken minus sign outside. You will get understood later. Wait. If you take minus sign outside, from this term I have taken a minus sign outside, so nothing will, minus came outside, only 2y will remain, no? Yes. And from plus 1, if I take minus 1, minus outside, the remaining will be minus 1. If you have any doubt, you can open the bracket and check in your mind. What is minus into 2y? Minus 2y. We are getting, no? What is minus into minus 1? Then only we will get plus 1. So, then the answer for the doubt, why Shibin sir you have taken minus outside? Because ഇങ്ങനെ എടുത്തെങ്കിൽ മാത്രമല്ലേ ഇവിടെ 2y മൈനസ് ഒന്നും അല്ല വന്നത്, ഇവിടെയും അതേ ടൈം തന്നെ വരണ്ടേ. അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഇതാ നമ്മൾ പറഞ്ഞു ഫാക്ടർ സ്പ്ലിറ്റിംഗ് മിഡിൽ ടൈം വെച്ചിട്ട് നന്നായി വീഡിയോ കണ്ട കുട്ടികൾക്ക് മനസ്സിലാണ്ടാവും. സ്പ്ലിറ്റിംഗ് മിഡിൽ ടൈം വെച്ച് നമ്മൾ ചെയ്യുമ്പം ഇവിടെ ഒരു ടൈം വരും, ഈ ടൈമിലും ഒരെണ്ണം കോമൺ ആയിട്ട് വരണം, സെയിം ആയിട്ട് വരണം. അപ്പോൾ ഞാനിവിടെ -7 ഔട്ട് സൈഡ് എടുത്തിട്ടില്ലായിരുന്നെങ്കിൽ ഇങ്ങനെ ഇവിടെ 2y മൈനസ് 1 ഇങ്ങനെ ഇവിടെ 2y മൈനസ് 1 ഒരുപോലെ വരില്ലായിരുന്നു. അതുകൊണ്ടാണ് ഞാൻ -7 ഔട്ട് സൈഡ് എടുത്തത്. -7 ഔട്ട് സൈഡ് എടുത്തില്ലായിരുന്നെങ്കിൽ ഇങ്ങനെ ഇതിന് ഈക്വലായിട്ടുള്ള ടൈം ഇവിടെ വരില്ല. അതുകൊണ്ടാണ് -7 ഔട്ട് സൈഡ് എടുത്തത്. ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞു തന്നിട്ടുണ്ട്. ഓക്കെ, ഇനി -7 ഔട്ട് സൈഡ് എടുത്തിട്ട് ഇങ്ങനെ എന്തുകൊണ്ട് ബ്രാക്കറ്റിൻ്റെ ഉള്ളിൽ എഴുതുന്നു എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ ഉള്ളിലോട്ട് മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്ത് നോക്കുമ്പോൾ മനസ്സിലാവും. -2y ആണ് -2y. സപ്പോസ് നിങ്ങളിവിടെ +1 എഴുതിയെന്ന് വിചാരിക്കുക, +1 എഴുതിയെങ്കിൽ എന്ന് വിചാരിക്കുക. -+1 എന്താ? -1. നമുക്ക് +1 കിട്ടണമെങ്കിൽ -1 തന്നെ എഴുതേണ്ടി വരില്ലേ? ഐ തിങ്ക് ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് ഓൾമോസ്റ്റ് ക്ലിയർ. ലെറ്റ് മീ എക്സ്പ്ലെയിൻ വൺസ് അഗൈൻ. ഈ രണ്ട് ടൈമിലൊന്നും കോമൺ ഇല്ല. പക്ഷേ ഈ ടൈം ഇതുപോലെ ഇവിടെ എഴുതി വെച്ച് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ ഇവിടുത്തെ ഈ ടൈമും ഇവിടുത്തെ ആ ടൈമും കൂടെ ഈക്വലായി വരില്ല. അതുകൊണ്ട് ഞാൻ ഇതിൽ നിന്ന് -7 ഔട്ട് സൈഡ് എടുക്കുന്നു. -7 ഔട്ട് സൈഡ് എടുക്കുമ്പം ഈ -2y പിന്നെ 2y ബാക്കിയുള്ളൂ. +1 നിന്ന് -1 എടുത്താൽ -1 ഉള്ളിൽ എഴുതാം. കാരണം എങ്കിലേ -2y -2yയും -1 +1 എന്നുള്ള രീതിയിൽ ശരിയായി വരുള്ളൂ. ഓക്കെ, നൗ ജസ്റ്റ് സീ, this is the first term, this is the second term, which is common here in both term. 2y minus 1 is common, no? So take outside. If you take 2y minus 1 outside, what will remain here? 2y will remain. Then you have taken 2y minus 1 outside, so here nothing will remain, so you are supposed to write 1. So the answer is 2y minus 1 into 2y minus 1. This is the factorization of that polynomial. You may understood, no? This is the way of doing. I think it is almost clear, no? Okay. And shall we move to the next question? Okay, then next question is factorize x square minus y square by 100. So I have to factorize this, but here I can use some identities. You may not understood which identity we have to apply here. I will help you to find out that. X square minus y square by 100 can be replaced as x square as it is minus y square by 100 can you replace as y by 10 whole square. What is y by 10 whole square? What is y by 10 whole square? Apply square in each term. Y square is y square, 10 square is 100. That means we can replace y square by 100 as y by 10 whole square, because y square is y square, 10 square is 100. We are getting the same thing. That means we can replace y square by 100 as y by 10 whole square. Now we just see this. It becomes in which form? Some a square minus b square. See, if you have any doubt, you just listen. If you mention this x as a and this y by 10 as b, then you will get understood this question lies in which form or not, or which form. Can you tell me that? Now we just see, if I have mentioned that x as what? A and y by 10 as b. I repeat, I have mentioned x as a and y by 10 as b. So x square minus y by 10 whole square can be replaced as what? A square minus b square. Replace on മനസ്സിൽ replace ചെയ്ത് നോക്കി. ഇതൊരു a square minus b square ഫോമിൽ ആയില്ലേ? Yes, this is in the form a square minus b square. What is the expansion of a square minus b square? A plus b into a minus b. So since it came in the form some a square minus b square, you can replace it as a plus b into a minus b. So I am going to replace it as a plus b into a minus b. So a plus b into a minus b. So what is a here? X. A plus b. What is b here? Y by 10. So a plus b is over. Then we have to write a minus b. What is a? X minus what is b? Y by 10. So a plus b into a minus b. So according to a, x is your value here. According to b, y by 10 is the value. So in order to replace a plus b into a minus b, this is the way of replacing. Now just see, I think it is almost clear, no? It was in the form a square minus b square, and we understood that a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b, and only the thing is that you have to identify what is your a and what is your b. So I have replaced a plus b into a minus b. So this is the factorization of that question. See, we have expressed this as something into something. If you express the question as something into something, you are done. That means solution is over. This is your solution. We have expressed this question as something into something. Factorization is done. Shall we move to the next question? Okay. See, നിങ്ങൾക്കൊരു ചുമ്മാ ഒരു കാര്യം നിങ്ങളോട് ചോദിക്കുകയാണ്. ഇപ്പോൾ ഞാനിങ്ങനെ മൊബൈൽ ഇങ്ങനെ നമ്മുടെ ലാബിനാണ് ഞാനിരിക്കുന്നത്, സ്കൂളിലെ ലാബിൽ. അതിങ്ങനെ മൊബൈൽ ഇങ്ങനെ ചാരി വെച്ചേക്കണം. അപ്പം ഇപ്പോൾ മൊബൈലിൽ കൂടെ കാണുമ്പോൾ ഒരു വെള്ളത്തിൻ്റെ ഉള്ളിൽ രണ്ട് ബ്ലാക്ക് എന്തോ ഒരു സാധനം പൊന്തി കിടക്കുന്ന പോലെ എനിക്കിങ്ങനെ ഒന്ന് ഫീൽ ചെയ്തു. നിങ്ങൾക്കത് തോന്നുന്നുണ്ടോ എന്ന് ചോദിക്കാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ട് മാത്രം ഞാനിത് കാണിക്കുന്നതാണ്. ഇത് ശരിക്കും രണ്ട് ടെസ്റ്റ് ട്യൂബാണിത്. കുറേ ടെസ്റ്റ് ട്യൂബുകളാണ്. പക്ഷേ അതിനോട് മൊബൈൽ ചേർത്ത് വെക്കുമ്പോൾ ഒരു കുളം അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഒരു കടലിൽ എന്തോ രണ്ട് സാധനം ഇങ്ങനെ പൊന്തി കിടക്കുന്ന പോലെ തോന്നുന്ന ഒരു ഫീലിംഗ് എനിക്ക് കിട്ടി. അതുകൊണ്ടാണ് ഞാൻ നിങ്ങളുമായിട്ട് ഷെയർ ചെയ്തത്. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് കിട്ടിയിട്ടുണ്ടാവില്ല, എനിക്കിപ്പോൾ കിട്ടുന്നില്ല, നേരത്തെ കിട്ടിയിരുന്നു ആ ഫീലിംഗ്. ഓക്കെ, സോ വി ആർ മൂവിങ് ടു ദ നെക്സ്റ്റ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ, fourth question. So in third question only 2 sub question I have solved. The remaining question you have to try and find out the answer. Try yourself. If you feel any doubt, just post your doubt in our 9th A squadron or 9th B squadron. Okay, expand, fourth question, expand x plus, please mark the questions which we have solved in your textbook. Then only you can identify the remaining questions very easily and you can practice. And expand x plus 2y plus 4z whole square. This is the question. By which identity you can expand this question? X plus 2y plus 4z whole square. I repeat, which identity can be used to expand this identity? Expand the question x plus 2y plus 4z whole square. Yes, you are right. Which identity can be used? This is in the form something plus something plus something whole square. So the identity is a plus b plus c whole square you must use to expand this question. Then can anyone tell me what is the expansion of a plus b plus c whole square? Yes, you are right. Tell me. Expansion of a plus b plus c whole square is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ac is the identity you must use. A plus b plus c whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ac. I repeat, a plus b plus c whole square is equal to a square. That means this is a, its square, plus this is b, its square, plus this is c, its square, plus 2 into a into b, 2 into a into b, plus 2 into b into c, 2 into b into c, plus 2 into a into c, 2 into a into c. This is the expansion. So according to this question is the question which we have to solve. You must treat a as x or x as a, and you must treat 2y as b, and you must treat 4z as c, isn't it? Then only it will be in the form what? Now it is in the form a plus b plus c whole square. If you treat x as a, if you treat 2y as b, if you treat 4z as c, it became in the form a plus b plus c whole square. So this identity can be used. So a plus b plus c whole square identity I am going to use. What is the expansion of a plus b plus c whole square? A square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ac. So I am going to use that identity. Since it came in the form a plus b plus c whole square, we understood that a plus b plus c whole square is equal to this, isn't it? So a plus b plus c whole square is equal to, which is the first term in the expansion, a square, no? So I have to write that. It is in the form a plus b plus c whole square. So expansion is starting with a square. So a square I have to write. But what is your a here? Which is your a in the question? So instead of, we are supposed to write a square, but can you write a? No. Which is your a here? X. So instead of a square you can write x square, because this is your a square, plus b square. What is your b here? 2y. So b square means 2y square, plus C square. What is your C here? 4z. So 4z square. അതായത് ഇതാണ് ഐഡൻറ്റിറ്റി ഉപയോഗിക്കുന്നത്. നിങ്ങളുടെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യനിലുള്ള എയും ബിയും സിയും എന്താണെന്ന് ഐഡൻറ്റിഫൈ ചെയ്താൽ പിന്നെ നിങ്ങൾ ഇവിടെയുള്ള എയും ബിക്കും സിക്കും ഒക്കെ പകരം നമ്മുടെ അടുത്തുള്ള എയും ബിയും സി ഇടുക, അത്രമാത്രം. സോ എ സ്ക്വയർ ഈസ് ഓവർ, ബി സ്ക്വയർ ഈസ് ഓവർ, പ്ലസ് സി സ്ക്വയർ ഈസ് ഓവർ, പ്ലസ് 2 into a into b, no? Next time, so 2 into, what is your a? X. What is your b? 2y. Any problem? Plus 2 into b into c, no? 2 into b into c. What is b? 2y. What is c? 4z. Plus, what is your last time? 2ac. 2 into, what is your a? X. What is your c? 4z. Okay, you may understood, no? So you may understood that. Once again, let me repeat once again. This is your question: expand x plus 2y plus 4z all square, and we recognized that this is in the form some a plus b plus c all square, no? And only the thing is that you have to expand by using this identity, a square plus b square plus c square. ഇത് മൊത്തം ഇങ്ങനെ എഴുതി വെക്കുക. So this is your a square, this is your b square, this is your c square, and this is your 2ab, this is your 2bc, this is your 2ac. You may understood, no? Okay. That implies now it is a time to elaborate. That means x square as it is. What is 2y all square? What is 2 square? 4. Y square, y square. So answer is 4y square. Plus what is 4z square? 4 square is 16, z square is z square. So 16z square. Plus what is 2? What is this? What is 2 into 2? 4. So remaining is 4 into x into y is 4xy. Plus this one. What is 2 into 2? 4. 4 into 4 16. So 16 y z. Plus now you see 2 into 4 8. X into z, xz. So this is the expansion. You may understood, no? This is the expansion of that question. I think it is the video is much clear. I think you are not facing any problem with my video, no? Clarity of the video. If you face any, please inform me. I don't think that there is any clarity problem at all. Okay. So today onwards, I'm going to stop asking if there is any clarity problem. I believe that there is no clarity problem. So I'm going to stop that way of questioning. If you feel any, you just inform me. Okay. So one question solved. And we will solve one more question and we will wind up this video session. This is the question. Expand 1 by 4a minus 1 by 2b plus 1 whole square. This is your question. Okay. I am going to replace this question, or I am going to rewrite this question as, please stay with me, do not go anywhere, please. I am going to rewrite this question as first time as it is. Next time I supposed to write minus 1 by 2b, no? 1 by 4 I have written as it is. Next time this is the time which I have to write minus 1 by 2b. Instead of that I am going to write plus minus 1 by 2b. Is there any problem in that? What is this plus minus? Plus minus result is minus, no? Plus minus കൂടെ അടുത്ത് വന്നാൽ മൈനസ് തന്നെ വരിക. അപ്പോൾ മൈനസിന് എനിക്ക് പ്ലസ് മൈനസ് എഴുതുന്നതിന് കുഴപ്പമില്ല. So that means first time 1 by 4 as it is. So instead of plus minus I have written plus minus, because plus minus is nothing but minus. Okay, there is a reason for that. Then 1 by 2b as it is. Then next is plus 1 as it is without making any change. Now you just see it became in the form, you can treat it as a, you can treat it as b, and you can treat it as c. Then can you tell me which form it is now? Can you tell me the form which occupies now? Can you tell me the identity? Now it is in the form, if you treat this as a, and if you treat this as b, and if you treat this as c, it becomes in the form a plus b plus c whole square. I repeat, if you treat this as a and this as b and this as c, it becomes in the form a plus b plus c whole square. That means the identity which you have to use is a plus b plus c whole square is equal to what? A square plus b square plus സി സ്ക്വയർ പ്ലസ് എ പ്ലസ് ബി പ്ലസ് സി ഹോൾ സ്ക്വയർ എന്ന ഫോമിലാണെന്ന് മനസ്സിലായല്ലോ നമുക്ക്. ഇനി അതിൻ്റെ എക്സ്പാൻഷൻ എന്താ? എ സ്ക്വയർ പ്ലസ് ബി സ്ക്വയർ പ്ലസ് 2ac സ്ക്വയർ പ്ലസ് വാട്ട്? 2ab പ്ലസ് 2bc പ്ലസ് 2ac is the expansion. So since this question is in the form a plus b plus c whole square, this expansion we can use to expand this problem. You may understood, no? Okay. So you may understood that why Shibin sir or why I have replaced minus as plus minus, because then only if I replace minus as plus minus, then only I will get the exact form a plus b plus c. അല്ലേ, a plus b plus c എന്നാണ്. അപ്പോൾ ആ പ്ലസിൻ്റെ പ്രസൻസ് വരാനാണ് ഞാൻ അങ്ങനെ ചെയ്തത്. യു മേ അണ്ടർസ്റ്റുഡ്. ഓക്കെ. വാട്ട് ഈസ് ദ എക്സ്പാൻഷൻ ഓഫ് എ പ്ലസ് ബി പ്ലസ് സി ഹോൾ സ്ക്വയർ? എ സ്ക്വയർ പ്ലസ് ബി സ്ക്വയർ, ഓൾ ദോസ് തിങ്സ്. So I have to start with a square. So I suppose write a square. What is your a? 1 by 4a, no? So a square will be 1 by 4a square. This is your a. I need its square, a square. So that times square plus. Next term is b. What is your b? With the sign minus 1 by 2b is your b. So minus 1 by 2b is your b. I have to write b square. So its square plus c. C is your 1. So 1 square plus. Then 2ab. 2 into a into b. That means 1 by 4a into minus 1 by 2b, no? Plus 2 into b into c. This is your b, this is your c. Minus 1 by 2b. So 2 into b into c become 2 into minus 1 by 2b into c. This one. Plus 2ac. 2 into a. What is your a? Minus 1 by 4a is your a. Into c. What is your c? 1 is your c. You may understood, no? I think you are following me. This is your thing. You may understood. It's very clear, I think. I am explaining in such a way that every student will get understood. So I don't think that you are feeling any trouble and all. I think it is almost clear, no? So you have to focus that when you write this number, you have to write with a sign. Okay. Now the final answer is, what is 1 by 4a square? Yes. What is 1 square? 1. Divided by what is 4 square? 16. What is a square? A square plus. Similarly, what is minus 1 square? 1. What is 2 square? 4. What is b square? B square plus 1 square as it is 1 plus. Here you just see many terms get cancelled in this term. You just see that this 2 and this 2 will get cancelled. So what will remain? Numerator minus 1 ഉണ്ട്, പിന്നെ ഒരു a ഉണ്ട്, b ഉണ്ട്. അതൊക്കെ ന്യൂമറേറ്ററിലോട്ട് ചേരും. സോ മൈനസ് 1 a ഇൻറ്റു ബി എന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ മൈനസ് 1ab ഓർ മൈനസ് 1ab എന്ന് എഴുതാം. ഡിവൈഡഡ് ബൈ ഡിനോമിനേറ്ററിൽ ഒരു 4 മാത്രമേ ഉള്ളൂ. ആ 4 അതുപോലെ എഴുതി. ഐ തിങ്ക് ഇറ്റ് ഇസ് ക്ലിയർ. ആൻഡ് നെക്സ്റ്റ് ടൈം ഹിയർ 2 and 2 will get cancelled. What will remain? Minus 1 into bc. So it is minus bc. Any problem? Plus ഇവിടെ നോക്കി ഈ 2ഉം 4ഉം ക്യാൻസൽ ആയി, താഴെ 2 വരും. So what will remain? A into 1 is a by 2. So what? A ന്യൂമറേറ്ററിലോട്ടാണ് വരിക, ഡിനോമിനേറ്റർ 2. So final result is a by 2. So this will be the solution of the question. I think you understood, no? It is a little bit difficult question and little bit difficult to understand also, and that's why it is very important question, because it is, since it is standard and since it is little bit difficult to understand this kind of problem, you have to focus. Okay, so this is it. I'm going to wind up the video. Please practice at least the discussed questions. Okay, thank you. Stay safe. Bye.